Most collectors think AliExpress is only full of cheap, fake diecast cars. Honestly, I used to think the exact same thing, but after spending way too many late nights scrolling through random listings, I realized something interesting. Hidden between the mass-produced models, there are actually some genuinely rare collector pieces with amazing details and serious shelf presence. And today, I want to show you 5 surprisingly rare die-cast cars you can still find on AliExpress before they completely disappear. Some of these models are difficult to find outside Asia. Others completely fly under the radar because collectors simply don't expect AliExpress to have anything special. But recently, more collectors have started discovering niche brands, limited editions, and premium packaging that honestly surprised even me. And trust me, some of these models genuinely look far more expensive than they actually are. Number 5. Time Micro Toyota AE86 and Mazda RX-7 Head Text D set. If you grew up loving Japanese car culture, this set immediately hits you with nostalgia. The Toyota AE86 and Mazda RX-7 are 2 of the most iconic JDM cars ever made, especially for fans of drifting culture and Initial D. But what surprised me most is how premium this set actually feels. The packaging looks incredible, the details are sharp, and together they create one of the coolest display pieces I've seen on AliExpress recently. Honestly, this feels less like a toy and more like a proper collector piece. Number 4. DCT Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA. This thing looks aggressive even in 1:64 scale. The Giulia GTA already has insane road presence in real life, but DCT captured that energy surprisingly well. The paint quality, body lines, wheels, and details make it feel much more premium than most people would expect from an AliExpress diecast. And if you're into European performance cars instead of JDM, this is easily one of the best looking models on this list. Number 3. Shadow BMW 850 CSI. This is probably the most underrated model in the entire video. The BMW 850 CSI has this elegant 90s grand touring aesthetic that instantly feels different from modern supercars. Long hood, clean lines, subtle styling, and honestly, that's exactly why collectors love it. This model feels mature, nostalgic, and incredibly clean on display. It's one of those die-cast cars that quietly becomes your favorite over time. Number 2. Xcartoys RWB 930 and Pandem truck box set. Out of everything here, this is probably the one I'd personally keep sealed. RWB culture has completely exploded in the diecast world recently, and this box set perfectly explains why. The wide-body Porsche 930 already looks insane, but pairing it with a matching Pandem truck makes the whole thing feel like a premium collector display piece. But honestly, the packaging is what really sells it. This genuinely feels like something you'd see in a high-end collector store, not on AliExpress. And the shelf presence is ridiculous. And finally, number 1, the Pop Race Porsche 930 RWB China Expo Edition. This is easily the crown jewel of the entire list. Special event diecast releases always create hype among collectors. But this one feels different. The finish looks premium, the details are incredibly sharp, and the overall presentation makes it feel far more expensive than it actually is. This is exactly the type of model collectors become obsessed with after it sells out. And honestly, this is why rare die-cast cars on AliExpress are becoming so popular. Collectors are discovering niche brands, social media is creating hype around hidden gems, and more people are realizing that AliExpress can actually hide some seriously collectible models. But before buying anything, there's one important thing. Always check seller reviews, look at real customer photos, verify packaging details carefully, and avoid listings that look too good to be true, because fake diecast models absolutely exist online. Still, discovering rare collector pieces in unexpected places is part of what makes this hobby so addictive. So now I'm curious, which model from this list would you actually add to your collection? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more rare diecast finds, hidden gems, and collector content, subscribe, because I've got a lot more.